When you need pricing for a shipment, start in Discover Rates. Enter the origin, destination, and cargo-ready date for the lane you want to check. If the shipment includes inland delivery, enter the zip location. The portal automatically includes the trucking-related result when the zip is added. You can also select additional services during the search so the rate matches the support needed for the shipment. The results show carrier, container type, routing, transit time, validity, and total rate. Use container type to narrow results to the equipment you need. Use shipping line to compare selected carriers only. Use weight when it affects available options, then review how the results update. If no live rate is available, use request rate to send the shipment details for custom pricing. This gives you pricing visibility for the full shipment move so you can compare available options and take the next step with confidence.